so today we're going to learn how to solve a 3x3. This is a Mario 3x3 full bright non-stickerless. Okay. Now I will scramble the cube, so then we will be able to start solving it. Okay, that's a pretty good scramble. Now I will begin to tell you how to do it. Okay, first of all you have to line up the first of the white sides, I mean middle, in this case the red, to the white in the red. Okay, now that's done, it would be a good idea to get the orange lined up too. So now that we have one line of white matching up to the centers. Okay, same with the green. In this case you have to turn the cube this way and then put it down, turn it back, and there you go, you have the white cross. Okay, that's good. Now we have to try and solve the corners of the first layer. We have the white cross. Now we're going to try and get this corner in here. You turn the corner, and because it would be easier, because if the white face is facing to you, you do an opposite right hand algorithm. It goes down, and then you've got the first corner down, and this time you have to try and get this white corner out of where it is, because that's not where it is. There we go. And here you are. You do the same thing as last time, but this time you get it out and you do the right hand algorithm 3 times because the white side was facing up. Same thing here. And here you have it, you have the first layer done and dusted. Now, if you want to catch up with solving the rest of the cube, please go to the other videos at part 2, 3, and 4, and I will teach you how. This is the beginner's method, by the way, if you did not know. The current